Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today we're going to talk about the brand new Tempur-Pedic Ergo Extend and the differences between its predecessor, the Ergo Premier. So first thing is I'm just going to go over the remotes. Not a lot of change here, except obviously a lot sleeker, modern look on the new Ergo Extend remote. Fundamentally, most of the settings are the same. You don't get as many of the memory presets on the new guy, but what you do get is the new anti-snore feature. So if you're sleeping with your partner, they're snoring in the middle of the night, you can hit that little button right there. It'll lift the head up a little bit and hopefully stop your partner from snoring. Two other cool features on the new Ergo Extend. We now have a pillow tilt. So when you first hit the up on the remote, first you'll get a little bit of a raise on the pillow tilt, and then eventually, obviously, as it's extended almost fully here, it'll go all the way up. And then we have the perfect seat feature, which on this you can see it doesn't separate. On the new Tempur-Pedic Ergo Extend, what you'll find on the Ergo Premier, when you go head and foot in the TV PC mode, it'll bunch up that bed and you're kind of crammed in there. With the perfect seat, what it does is when it goes up, it'll actually separate. So it gives you that perfect seat while you're watching TV or on the computer or even reading a book in bed. And then I'm going to have to put this on flat. We'll speed through this part. Okay, two more features that I want to show you are actually underneath the base. So I'm going to actually have my mattress print show up. Come here, Pete. We're going to lift this bad boy up. Over here, Peter. Sorry about that, guys. So two cool little features that we have on the new Ergo Extend. You can kind of see, but here we have USB ports on both sides, so you and your partner can actually connect straight to your adjustable base. You don't have to find the wall outlet. Connect right here, charge your phone, tablet, PC, whatever. And then another cool feature that we have on all of the new Tempur-Pedic adjustable bases is a interchangeable leg. So you can see here we have two little lines. So this is 9 inches as it stands. We have 3-inch extensions. So now you're at 6. And you can even get all the way down to an ultra low profile 3-inch. Instead of ordering and waiting for several weeks for that leg to come, it'll show up immediately. That's all I got this week. Thank you for tuning in for Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks.